Hey everybody, we are live and we are going to show you the perfect way to meet friends and stay physically distant while staying socially connected. So, hang on one second. Hey.
Hello.
Tell us what we're up to. Where are we?
We're at Kellee 1936 in Oceanside with this beautiful lady right here and her friends. And like she said, we're going to show you how to physically distance, but socially, what was that again?
Stay socially connected.
Stay socially connected, exactly. So we have Mary Beth here with her other half and her friends, and they are dining together but at separate tables.
It's so weird. It's so weird. So again, just to kind of reiterate from our video last week, and those who missed, glass partitions are up. Everybody's got their mask on.
Yep.
We've got like a little entry area with glass partitions. There's actually, look at this, like a little red stanchion. People order right here at the window. See that? Giancarlo, I would like everything on the menu. S'il vous plaît?
What was that?
I want everything on the menu.
Everything on the menu.
Everything. You order your drinks, you order your food, and what's your address?
401 Seagates Drive in Oceanside.
Okay, and look at all these nice wines and beers and happy hour. Look at that happy hour. Oh, it's backwards, but oh no, it's not because I think I fixed my screen. Okay, so we are going to show you what I've been saying for months. Hate social distancing. I am too social to social distance. So, here we have our table right here. Filippo Fredrickson and Janice.
Look like you're social distance.
Okay. Hold on. You guys. Okay, 1 second. So, there's Christopher and Connie and James. So they're sitting at their own table. Now I can take my mask off. So look, we can kind of yell to them. Hey you guys, how's it going?
Great.
We haven't seen you in like 3.5 months. So this was kind of a fun way to get everybody together and hang out together and yell to each other across the dining room. And look at who's here, sitting all by her lonesome is our Gwenny.
I'm never by myself.
I know, you're never alone. And could you stand up and show everybody your fabulous outfit? You look like Moira from Schitt's Creek. Come on, let's see it. Oh, get up and show everybody how cool you look.
Show us your stuff.
Your outfit is breathtaking. Do a spin.
That is cool.
Do a
Wow.
spin. Love. See? Getting out of our Lululemons and our workout clothes and our daytime pajamas and get to dress up.
Put some jewelry on.
So here, guys, you can literally invite other people like Dustin. You can come and eat with us. Patty Adams, Tom Chapman, and have friends sitting at different tables and just yell across the place, right? So what did you order, Gwenny?
I'm gonna get the beet salad and add salmon.
Okay.
Goody.
What are you getting, Philip Fredrickson? Ooh, you
I'm not sure. I'm going to get something super healthy, clean, no pizza, nothing like that.
And Jan, this is your first time here, right, Jan?
Right, and so I'm torn. I mean,
Tell me
everything
what
looks
you're
delicious.
thinking.
I'm thinking salmon.
Salmon?
It's really good here.
Okay.
Salmon.
All right. Hey, Dustin, do you want me to see if I can bring you into this room?